Hey guys, so I gotta refill my vape. Yeah. Because it's pretty much bone dry as a pod. Using the last remaining bit, juice head salt, strawberry, kiwi, 50 milliliter nicotine. Then brand new juice I'm gonna try is a juice head salt, guava peach, 50 milliliter nicotine. Today was a wild one at work. And one of my co-workers wanted to hit Nick. And the thing is, manager up there, I guess didn't have his on him or something. So, customer service advisor hit mine. She hit it like a blunt. She almost about freaking had a freaking nightmare with my 50% Nick. It was wild. Yep, completely emptied that bottle. Which, I mean, filled it somewhat decent. Now time to try the juice head salt guava peach 50 milligram 50 milliliter. So have to push down, turn, and squeeze to open it. That's one thing I didn't have to do.
壊れるよそれが。カメラがしとったおばちゃん。そばばに返してきたから。これは原爆の人に使えるやつや。パンやんな。